In this video, I want to tell you why difficult men appeal to women more than guys that are easy to deal with. Women are naturally feminine. They are always insecure and not sure of themselves. They are also emotionally and physically weak. This is why they need a masculine figure around them always, to make up for the qualities they lack and their insecurities. With stoic and masculine men around them, they feel secure and assured. This is why every woman needs a masculine man, a man with huge masculine qualities. Women want a man who is bigger and taller than them, has more money than them, and is emotionally stable. This is why women are drawn more to masculine and stoic men than weak men. Women are emotional. They are only attracted to men that can appeal to their emotions. And these men are the difficult, stoic, and masculine men. This is because these men are naturally difficult to deal with, and women spend time thinking of these men and assessing their situation with them. You have to understand that the more you are a challenge to a woman and make her think about you, the more she will be emotionally attached to you. Women love men who are a challenge because these kinds of men keep their minds and emotions busy. These are the men that give them an emotional roller coaster. These are the men that make them sad and cry. Making a woman experience these emotions will make her become more attached to you. Imagine making her feel sad for a few days, making her think about you, cry and report you to every one of her friends. And then the next few days, you become excessively loving to her. These are the emotional roller coasters I'm talking about. She does not feel the same emotions all the time, and she does not know what to expect next, because these kinds of men always give mixed emotions to women. These emotions keep their minds busy, so they don't even think of a different guy until they are able to sort out that particular difficult guy. Women are naturally fixers, so when they see a difficult and stoic man, they feel they have a duty to change him or make him better. This is a process women love taking. That is why good guys or soft guys do not interest women, because there is no challenge in such guys to fix. They are very easy to deal with and are not mysterious like the difficult and masculine guys. If you want to appeal to the emotions of any woman, you have to be mysterious and difficult. This does not mean faking being difficult, but naturally becoming masculine. Go to the gym and build your body. Do not talk much. Do not pedestalize women. See them as normal human beings. See and date other women. Don't be too excited around her. And always make decisions and stand by them. Never show emotions of any kind around her. Once you begin to act this way, she will begin to consider you as one who is difficult to deal with. Do not let her know everything about you. This will make you mysterious. Then unveil yourself to her step by step. Every step you uncover for her will make her wonder what else would be strange or surprising about you. This will make her wonder about you and try to investigate your activities and lifestyle. With this, you'll always be on her mind. This is how she will become attached to you. So if you want women to invest their emotions in you, you have to be naturally difficult to deal with. Be a challenge. Give her an emotional roller coaster and watch her crave for more of your attention. Don't just get the knowledge. Apply it to your dating life and see how it will improve your game to become better with women. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.